Hello and welcome. Today, I invite you to the enchanting world of Paris. Paris is not only the city of love and romance, but also the center of fun. In this video, we'll explore 10 fun activities you can do in Paris. If you're ready, let's get started. Our first stop is Montmartre. Known for its colorful streets and famous painters' workshops, immerse yourself in art and discover the works of painters. Explore the heart of Paris on the Seine River. Take a romantic boat tour and get a chance to see the city's landmarks from the water. A visit to the Eiffel Tower is a must when you're in Paris. Climb to the top and enjoy the breathtaking city view. For art enthusiasts, spending a day at the Louvre Museum is a delight. See the world's most famous art pieces and immerse yourself in history. Champs-Élysées is a paradise for shopaholics. From luxury stores to boutiques, you'll find everything on this avenue that lures shopping enthusiasts. Just outside Paris, Versailles Palace will mesmerize you. Dive into history and get lost in its magnificent gardens. Head to Disneyland Paris for a day of fun. Meet Mickey and Minnie and create unforgettable memories with your kids. Sacré-Cœur Basilica at the top of Montmartre offers a stunning view. Watch over the city from above and find serenity. When the weather is nice, having a picnic in Paris parks is a great idea. Enjoy some wine, cheese, and good times with your friends. Lastly, explore the street foods of Paris. Try crepes, macarons, croissants, and savor the delights offered by street vendors. And there you have it, 10 fun activities to do in Paris. If you're excited to explore Paris, don't forget to add these activities to your list. Have a great time ahead.